Hi guys, today the video will be about I'm gonna teach you how to make a homemade tangle like this. This is a homemade tangle. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. You need scissors, 2 straws, and I don't know what this means in English because I'm Arabic. خيط Arabic. Okay? So you're not will cut it because you don't know what's the size. And then what you will make, you will open one. Okay? Let's open it and I will come back. Okay, so I opened the first straw. So first, you see this that make the sound? Cut it. You will not use it. Okay? Cut it. Only the sound because you not need it. Okay? Okay. Then cut into small pieces like this. Like this, okay? So cut them all and I will come back. Okay, so I cut them all, the first one only, first. Don't open the second, only open the first, and then cut the first, but don't do the second when I tell you, only when I tell you. Okay, and then you will put the straws inside like this, but not in the last thing, no, put it in the middle like this, in the middle. Okay, so I'm gonna put them and come back. Okay guys, so I put them all. So now open the second one. I'm gonna open the second one and come back. Okay, and now I'm gonna cut them like the first one. Okay guys, I'm kind of bored, so I'm gonna talk with you because 4 pieces left with me. So I forgot to tell you because I made the mini size, and then now I'm gonna make the large size, and then I'm gonna make the big size in the next video. So 2 pieces left. Yeah, it's medium, but you will think it's big. That's why I'm gonna make a huge one in the second video. Not the second video, the after second video, or maybe the second video. Finish. Oh no, last one. Okay, finish. Then you will cut, you will cut the khayt like this, okay? Only like this. Leave it very long because now you will cut it. Then tie it. No. Who's thinking what's in my hand because tomorrow is Eid, so this is henna. Last tie. I made 3. You have to make 4. And then cut the rest. What is left, this, cut it. Ta-da! I made the medium one. You liked it? Mini mini one that I made yesterday, and this is that I made today, the large one that I made with you. Oh, it's bigger than my phone. No, yeah, it's maybe 1 centimeter or 1 meter bigger than my phone. Look, red in the top and green and blue in the bottom, and then you can do the opposite. Now I'm gonna tell you which one I liked more, the large or the mini. Large, because in the mini you can do this stuff too much, but here you can do, look, and this is the real size for a real tangle. And then get ready for the real huge homemade tangle. Okay, and hope you like this video. If you did, smash the like button and we'll see you next time. Good. Bye.